race. And both helicopters will be operational this 20th anniversary this year. By one of 3 pilots, one of 6 paramedics.
Pulling up at 400 miles an hour, Red 1 has just pulled the pilots into 9 arrow formation. You're now seeing the jets closing to around 6 feet apart as they reach a mile above us, 6,000 feet in the sky, slowing down now to about 150 miles per hour at the top of the loop. 4 times the force of gravity as Red 1 twists 9 arrow as they level off at around 400 feet above the sea. Lots of it is Red 1.
See where they are now, John.
Taking Montenegro, and it is. All 9 jets now going upside down at 2,500 feet at 400 miles an hour, and you can see the shape of the Spitfire as they go upside down. We've introduced the Spitfire roll this year to celebrate the 60th anniversary of the Royal Air Force's Battle of Britain Memorial Flight. Well, it's about to make it even harder for these guys as he enters a 3G left-hand turn. Excellence. It is the shape of Concorde. I'm sure we all missed that amazing. Let's have a round of applause for Concorde. At the very bottom of the formation. Pulling up at 400 miles an hour at 4 times the force of gravity. Trademark shape. Diamond 9 shape as the jets level off at around 500 miles an hour, positioning over to our front left. That now signifies the end of the first part, Jippo. That was the nickname of the gentleman who first led the Black 4 aircraft back in 1968. So now, Enid, break, go, says Red 1, they split. Now keep your eyes on Jippo. The slingshots. But now look to your right-hand side to find the 5 jets of Enid. Get down, says Red 1. The wings of Enid drop down to form an inverted V shape to the right. Now look left. Here comes a lone jet. This is Red 9. He'll fly through this V in the goose. He's from New Zealand, but he moved to the UK in 2002 to join the Royal Air Force. With his high cloud backdrop, they put their red synchro again now, left and right with their... Now, Red 1 enters a left-hand turn. The following pilots use their feet to input a lot of rudder and swing the jets out like a pendulum in line astern. 5 on the right. They're about to switch to their normal side, so they're going to do it like this. This is the slalom. Wow. With the red smoke on, tightening to 4G now as Enid presents battle. Here we go, Enid pitching up it. With the coloured smoke on, rolling around 6 and 7. They're about to roll. Get ready for the Jippo break.
Is this the last one?
No, I don't think so.
I'm thinking it's the last one.
Full go says red 6, they go to full power. Coloured smoke 6G to be upside down at 300 feet before heading back to 100 feet. Roll back. Ready for the carousel. One rolling says red 1, he puts his red smoke on and pitches up to draw the mathematical symbol for infinity around the formation. This is the infinity break.
Can I just do this for fun now?
You've been watching the Royal Air Force Aerobatic Team, the Red Arrow!
Something taken off. Red and white.
I think that's the pub. I was having a cup of coffee.
Are they for the air show?
Yeah.
I mean, what was it actually getting the